Greetings, math fans. All right, so this is day 2 of Chapter 7b, and the first part of this note sheet is basically a warm-up of what we learned. So let's just kind of review all this, and should be good to go. All right. So the first part is put in standard form, and remember, standard form is we call it descending order. So it's from highest exponent to lowest exponent. Okay. And again, I don't care about the numbers in front. I only care about the exponents. So my first term is going to be this guy right here because it's got the x to the fifth. So you're going to write negative 2x to the fifth. And guys, the sign in front of it belongs with the number. So that was, since it says negative 2x to the fifth, that's why you put that negative in front of it. Okay. The next term is going to be 4x squared, but it's plus because it's positive, plus 4x squared. The next term is going to be plus 8x. And the next term is going to be plus 7. Okay, that's in standard form. Remember the type, you count the number of terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's more than 3, because remember, monomial is 1, binomial is 2, trinomial is 3, and anything more we call it a polynomial. So that's what this is, polynomial. And its degree is 5. That's the biggest exponent, so degree is 5. Okay, so this one's standard form, 4x to the 10th plus 6x cubed. The type, it's a binomial, 2 terms, all right, and the degree is degree 10 because it's x to the 10th. Okay, number 3, this is going to be first, so it's 5x to the 8th, then minus 4x squared, and then plus 10, and is a trinomial because 3 terms, and its degree is 8. Okay, this one, x to the 9th is first, then plus 3x to the 4th, and then minus 2x, and then minus 5. Okay, and its type, it's a polynomial, and its degree is 9. Okay, pretty easy. And these are adding and subtracting problems. So remember, if it's a plus sign, that's easy. You just literally rewrite these terms with the correct sign, same signs. So you get x squared minus 2x plus 5 plus 3x squared plus 10x minus 9. And then we combine the like terms. So 1x squared plus 3x squared is 4x squared. Negative 2x plus 10x, just put it in your calculator if you want. Negative 2 plus 10 is 8, so plus 8x. And then 5 minus 9 is negative 4. And that's your answer. Okay? Same thing with this plus over here. So we're going to do x to the fifth minus 2x plus 7x to the fourth plus x to the fourth minus 8x to the fifth minus 6x. Alright, so I'm going to start with my highest because I want to put it in standard form. So x to the fifth minus 8x to the fifth. So it's really 1x to the fifth minus 8x to the fifth is negative 7x to the fifth. Okay, 7x to the fourth plus 1x to the fourth is plus 8x to the fourth. And negative 2x minus 6x is negative 8x. That's your answer. Okay. When you have a minus sign between them, make sure you change all the signs of those terms there, the ones after it. So you get 2x squared plus 3x plus 8 minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 9. Change all those terms, or the signs of the terms, and then I combine like terms. So 2x squared minus 5x squared is negative 3x squared. 3x plus 4x is 7x. And 8 minus 9 is negative 1. That's your answer. Okay, not bad. Okay, so again, another negative here, so I'm going to change all these signs. So I get x to the 8th minus 2x plus 10x to the 9th, and that becomes plus x to the 9th minus 5x to the 8th plus 8 minus 7x. Okay, a lot of terms here. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is we're going to combine the x to the 9th. They're our first term. So 10x to the 9th plus 1x to the 9th is 11x to the 9th. and then we're going to do the x to the 8th. So 1x to the 8th minus 5x to the 8th. So 1 minus 5 is negative 4. X to the 8th. And then I'm going to do the negative 2x minus 7x is negative 9x. And then there's only one number, so it's plus 8. And there you go. That's your answer. Okay? Not bad. All right, so this is the new stuff here. It's actually not bad. Just remember, if it's x times x, so like x to the first times x to the first, remember it's x squared. You add these exponents. Right? You guys should remember that. All right? And x plus x is 2x. Okay? Because if you have 1x and I hand you one more x, what do you have? You have 2x's, not 2x squareds. So here's even another one. X cubed plus x cubed is 2x cubed. You have two of them. Okay, you don't have 2x to the 6th. That's bad. Okay? All right, so basically what I'm doing here, and we've done distributing already, math fans, you're going to multiply that 6 times 7v and the 6 times 4. So 6 times 7 is 42v, and then plus 24. And we're done with the problem. Okay? It's not bad. You're just distributing that one number to both those terms. Now, I don't like this 4 here. I personally like to take that 4 and I like to put it in the front. I really do. So then I say 4 times 2a is 8a. 4 times negative 3, negative 12. And there you go. That's your answer, 8a minus 12. All right. Number 3. Now we a little bit more complicated. It's 7x times x. So x times x is x squared. So it's 7x squared. 7x times negative 2 minus 14x. And that's the answer. Okay, this one, let's just do this on the side here. K squared times k. Remember, it's k to the 1. So you add those exponents. It's k to the 3rd power. Okay, just like if I said k to the 5th power times k to the 2nd power, it's k to the 7th power. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, so if I multiply this out now, I'm going to multiply the 3 times 5. Please multiply 3 times 5. Don't do 3 plus 5. You're not adding the numbers, only the exponents. So 3 times 5 is 15. K squared times k to the 1st power is k to the 3rd power. And then plus 21 k squared. There's nothing to multiply. It's just 7 times 3k squared is plus 21 k squared. That's your answer. Okay. Please do not combine this together. This is not, don't say this is 36 k to the 5th. That's like a really bad mistake. That means you're adding the 15s and the 21 together, and then you're combining the k cubed plus k squared. You can't do that. Okay, k cubed plus k squared cannot be combined. K cubed times k squared, that can be k to the 5th. That can be combined, but not adding. Okay? All right. So yeah. So again, this was your final answer right here, not that. All right. So the next one, I'm going to multiply 8 times all those terms. So 8 times 4 is 32 x squared. There's no variable with the 8, so it just stays with that variable. 8 times negative x is negative 8x, and 8 times negative 4 is negative 32, and that's your answer. Okay, I'm going to take that 5n to the 4th and write it in front. So you get 40. 5 times 8 is 40. N to the 4th times n squared is n to the 6th. Plus 5n to the 5th, right? Because that's 1. It's basically n to the 1st power. If you need to put that 1 for that power, so then you could add those exponents. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5n to the 5th. And then plus 35n to the 4th. Okay, not bad. All right, the next one is going to be 3 times 6 is 18, x to the 4th, 4, or 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 3x, and then this is x to the 1, so x squared times x to the 1 is x cubed, and then plus 4 times 3, so it really is 12, let me put that in here, plus 12x squared, and that's your answer. Okay. Again, 8 times 7 is 56 k squared. 8 times negative 6 is negative 48 k. And 8 times 4 is 32. And that's your answer. Okay, keep going here. Got a few more. I'm going to move that 3x squared y cubed in front. I just like it there. Okay, so 3 times 4 is 12. This is, again, probably one of the hardest problems you're going to possibly get. That and number 10. So 3 times 4 is 12. X squared times x to the fourth is x to the sixth. Y cubed times y to the fifth is y to the eighth. Okay, minus 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Remember that's x to the 1 here, so it's x to the third power and y to the 10th power. That's it. Okay, this one, 4 times 5 is 20. I'm going to make that as a to the first and a to the first. So a to the first times a to the first is a squared. 1 plus 1 is 2. B cubed times b to the fourth is b to the seventh. Plus 5 times 2 is 10. A to the first times a to the fifth is a to the sixth. And there's nothing to combine with the b, so it's b cubed. And that's your answer. Okay, I'm going to move this negative 2 in front. Negative 2 times 9v is negative 18v. Negative 2 times 2 is minus 4. That's it. This one, 4a times 2a is 8. Remember, a times a is a squared, or you can just add those exponents. So it's a squared. 4a times negative 3 is negative 12a. Okay? So that's it, math fans. That is day 2. And basically, it's just distributing. That's what we've learned. And knowing how to deal with adding, or really multiplying when you distribute. You multiply terms together, add your exponents, and multiply the actual number in front. Okay? That's it. Have an outstanding day. Adios. Goodbye.